Radical Dude here, and today we're going to be talking about measures of chords. And this is what I saw the other day. I saw this on a teacher's board. We had two chords intersecting. We'll call these A, B, and C, D. And I saw this formula, A, B equals C, D. A times B is C times D. And I want to know, where does that come from? So here's how we're going to play around. First of all, let's try to make triangles out of this, because otherwise I really don't know what I'm doing. So what we do is we put a dotted line there and a dotted line there. What allows me to do that is just between any 2 points, you can draw a line. Okay? Now we have two triangles. All I have to do is match angles, two angles of one with two angles of another, and they'll be similar. Now, to make this a little bit easier, I'm going to name these vertices. So, opposite little a, side A is the vertex A. Opposite this C is C. Opposite this D, angle D. Opposite this is angle B. And now, since I've used A, B, C, D, let me think for a minute. I guess the letter to use for this one would be E. And it's capital, because it's at the vertex. Now, all I have to do is find two angles, right? Like I said, of here to match two angles there. Well, first of all, I can see these. These are vertical angles, right there. This angle from this triangle is congruent to that and that. And, hold on 1 second. Yeah, hey.
What? Just to be a doll, you should, what?
I'm making a video. What? What do you need? What do you need? What do you need?
Kadeem, hey, I was looking for Kadeem to tell me how to do my makeup.
You have to go, I think that's Springer now. Sorry for that interruption. So, this angle C, it's intercepted by this arc AD, right? Angle C is formed by this arc AD. And also, angle B up here is also formed by the same arc. Technically, you can't call it angle C because there's too much stuff happening. It's better to call it angle ACE to make it more specific. Now let's line up the triangles. So this triangle right here, I'm going to put it in the same position. And it's A, C, E. Now I want to match this other triangle. I'm going to put in the same position. But let's see what letters we have to use. Now I have a choice of 3 letters, B, D, and E. Well, which one goes with the C I said was the B? So where this C is, I'm going to put a B. And the E is at the same spot. They're both the same, so where this E is goes this E. And then what's left? Well, the only letter left from this B, E, D is the D has to go here. These triangles are similar. Now all you have to do is put back the letters. Well, what are the letters? Between C and E is A. So between C and E, I write A. Right? And between A and E is C. So between A and E is C. Now I come over here. Between E and B is D. So between E and B is D. And between E and D is B. So between E and D is B. Now all I have to do is set up a proportion. A is to C as D is to B. And then cross multiply and you have AB equals CD. That is there. So we just proved the measures of the chords. how they're related to each other. The intersecting chords, that is. Well, thank you very much for listening. This has been Radical Dude, and I hope I was able to teach you something.